If you've ever thought about buying PLR or private label rights content to speed up your digital product creation process, you're definitely not alone. PLR can save you hours of writing and brainstorming, and it can even give you a huge head start when you're launching new offers. But here's the thing, a lot of people don't realize, not all PLR is created equal. And if you rush into it without knowing what to watch out for, it can come back to bite you. So before you go out and buy your next PLR product, there are 4 major secrets that you really need to know. These aren't just general tips. They're things that most beginners never get told. And honestly, they can be the difference between creating something profitable and creating something that either gets you banned or just doesn't sell. Hey guys, Henry here from Product Creation Formula. Here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to be able to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we do product reviews as well as tips on how to make money online. If that sounds interesting to you, how about you smash the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Okay guys, let's go check it out. Number 1, you must fully edit PLR and do not include the license before selling on Gumroad, PayHip, or Amazon, or risk getting banned. A lot of people new to PLR think they can just download a product, slap their name on it, and start selling it as is. That might work for some underground sites that don't really care what gets uploaded. But if you're planning to sell your product on platforms like Gumroad, PayHip, or Amazon, you've got to play by their rules. And one of the biggest rules is that they don't allow PLR. Now, some people might say, but I edited it a little. That's not enough. These platforms are smart. They can detect when a product is copied or reused from somewhere else. That's why I always say, do a full edit, rewrite the content using tools like 𝗕𝗏_pt or Claude. Update the information, change the tone, make it yours. Even the cover has to be unique. And whatever you do, do not upload the PLR license file. If you do that, you're basically admitting that it's PLR and your account could be flagged or even shut down. Instead, write a custom disclaimer telling people it's for personal use only and that the product can't be redistributed. Number 2, some PLR creators resell the same PLR product under different names across multiple sites. You might think you're getting an exclusive deal when you buy a PLR product, but chances are that exact product is being sold on 3 or 4 different websites, just under slightly different names. PLR vendors often resell the same package using different branding to make it seem like you're buying something fresh, but it's the same product with the same content, just packaged differently. What that means for you is simple. If you don't fully edit it, there's a good chance someone else is selling a nearly identical version. That's not great for building trust with your audience, and it definitely won't help you stand out. So when you're buying PLR, don't just look at the sales page. Check if it's being sold elsewhere under another name. Even better, focus on how you can customize it so it becomes unique to you. That's where real value comes in. Number 3, many older PLR products mention websites or include links that no longer exist. This is one of those sneaky issues that most people don't catch until it's too late. Older PLR ebooks, articles, or video scripts often reference outdated tools, broken links, or websites that just don't exist anymore. Sometimes they even mention products that have been discontinued for years. If you take one of those products and try to sell it without checking the references, you're going to look unprofessional at best and completely unreliable at worst. That's why every time I work with PLR, I double-check every link, resource, and external recommendation. If it's no longer around, or the page leads to an error, I either remove it or replace it with something more current. It takes a few extra minutes, but it makes a world of difference to the quality of your final product. Number 4. Stacking edited PLR products to build a full funnel. This is where PLR really shines when you're thinking beyond a single product. Most people treat PLR like a one-off item. They grab a PLR ebook, make a few tweaks, and try to sell it. But what if instead you used multiple PLR products, all related, and stacked them together to build a complete value-packed funnel? Let's say you start with a PLR ebook about affiliate marketing. That's your core offer, but you don't stop there. You then grab another PLR product about email marketing, edit it with 𝗕𝗏_pt, and offer it as a bonus or even as part of a higher tier bundle. Now you've created a more valuable package that still keeps the original theme, helping people make money through affiliate marketing, but adds another essential piece to the puzzle. Then you could take another related PLR product, maybe one focused on YouTube affiliate promotion, and turn that into your upsell. Now your funnel flows naturally, from getting started with affiliate marketing, to building an email list, to scaling through video marketing. All three of these are related, they serve the same type of customer, and they increase the value of your offer without needing to build anything from scratch. And what about the lead magnet? Instead of trying to find a PLR checklist, use AI to generate a short, hyper-focused lead magnet that solves one small part of the bigger problem. For example, you could use ChatGPT to create a free guide called 5 Mistakes Beginners Make in Affiliate Marketing and offer that in exchange for an email address. That way, you're not just reusing PLR for every step. You're combining custom AI content with edited PLR to create a unique and highly targeted funnel. You can keep building this out. Got a PLR course? Add a bonus ebook that complements the course. Got a PLR ebook? Add a mini video course made from another PLR video script. Use tools like TTS, OpenAI, or HeyGen to generate a faceless course to go along with it. If you're strategic, you could end up with a complete business in a box built from components that are already available. All you had to do was edit, brand, and arrange them smartly. This approach isn't just about making money from a single sale. It's about maximizing customer value, creating multiple entry points into your ecosystem, and giving your buyers more reasons to stay connected. When you think in terms of stacking and strategic bundling, PLR becomes one of the fastest ways to build a professional-looking, high-converting funnel. So let's quickly go over those 4 secrets again. Number 1, you must fully edit PLR and remove any trace of the license if you're planning to sell it on Gumroad, PayHip, or Amazon. Otherwise, your account could get banned. Number 2, some PLR sellers resell the same content under different names across multiple platforms. If you don't edit it thoroughly, you're basically selling the same product as a dozen other people. Number 3, older PLR products often include links and references to sites that no longer exist. If you don't update them, your product will feel outdated and untrustworthy. Number 4, you can stack similar PLR products like ebooks, video courses, and bonus guides to build a complete funnel. Use AI to generate lead magnets and connect the dots between topics like email marketing, video traffic, and affiliate promotions. These 4 secrets aren't about making PLR harder to use. They're about helping you use it the smart way. If you take shortcuts, PLR can hurt your reputation or even get your account shut down. But if you go the extra mile, edit deeply, and combine related pieces strategically, you can build out entire product lines quickly and profitably. If you got some value out of this video, how about you smash the like button as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not share and also leave a comment down below and let me know which of these secrets you plan to apply first. Just so you know, on the top left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a video that I believe you might like. Below that is a video YouTube thinks you might like. And if you look on the right side of the screen, you'll see an image of my head. Now, if you click on that, you'll be able to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.